Hey friends, I'm Broccoli. Welcome to kiddrawsfun. Today I'm going to teach how to draw and color a sailboat. In Spanish is Velero. So let's get started. So I draw the water. Next I will draw the sailboat. Okay. Okay. The sailboat looks with more details. Okay. Finish the piece. Okay, we finished the sailboat. Let's color it. I colored first the water. Okay, we finished the water. Let's color the boat. We colored the boat. Oh, wait a minute. Now color really soft the water. Finish with the water. Let's color the red part of the boat. This boat is big. Wow. I like this sailboat. Sailboat looks pretty much good. So good. And a good draw. Let's color the wings blue. Okay, I colored this piece orange. Okay, we finished that part of the sailboat. Next, I'm going to color the sail gray. This looks like my sailboat. Okay, if you like, come on, the sun. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.